So if you are facing the same issue while opening your Unity projects, then here's the solution for it. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open the run by pressing the Windows R and search for the app data. Here you will see the roaming folder. Go into this and search for the Unity folder. Here you will see the Unity folder. Go into this and there's folder called editor-5.x and go to preferences and load out default, and here's the main file that holds the default layout, that is called default.wlt. Open this with the notepad, press Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy it, cut it all, and then go to the Unity hub and select the project that you are facing the issue. In my case, I'm facing the issue in this project. Go to the show in Explorer, and in this project here's the library folder. Here you will see the file called current layout default wlt, and Ctrl A, delete all and paste that we copied. Save it, cut it all, close the Unity hub as well, and from here you also need to quit the Unity hub. Then let's see, we will open the Unity hub. Yes, and I'm gonna opening this project. Boom, as you can see, the error is gone and my project is opened. Thank you very much guys. If you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.